Hey everyone, welcome to Konveyor Meetup. Today we have community members, Yasu and Shin, who will be presenting to us. They will be presenting a new component of Tackle, so we're super excited to hear that. Before I hand it over to them, just want to remind you that if you want to get invites to these meetups and also the recording the slides, just make sure you subscribe to Konveyor.io. We are working on the state of application modernization report, which we're hoping to launch next month. If you subscribe to that email list, we'll be sure to send it over to you then. Aside from that, thank you to everyone who attended the Konveyor Community Hackfest last week. It was really helpful for everyone, and we're super grateful for all the feedback you gave us. Outside of that, I believe that's all we have. So with that said, Yasu, it's all yours.
Yes, thank you, Jonathan, for nice introductions. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Yasu Katsuno of IBM Research. Today's it's my pleasure to introduce a new tool in Konveyor Tackle. That is name is Tackle-DiVA-DOA. So let me share my screen. Okay, so today's title is Migrating Database Server to Kubernetes Operator using Konveyor Tackle-DiVA. Here is today's agenda. First, I explain what is Tackle-DiVA-DOA. Second is let's try it out. It is easy to try Tackle-DiVA-DOA on your laptop, on your server, any machine that running on Docker. Finally, we will show DiVADOA's result that is and how to automatically deploy high availability Postgres SQL cluster and generated Kubernetes resource. Here is about me. I'm Yasuharu Katsuno. Please call me Yasu. And I'm a researcher in IBM Research Tokyo. My technical preference is transaction, especially distributed transaction processing. And I'm also my current hot topics is application modernization, data modernization, microservices. Of course, Kubernetes. So first topic is what is Tackle-DiVA-DOA? Before going to Tackle-DiVA-DOA, let me remind Konveyor community. This Konveyor community aims at to build nice tools, nice open source tools to move traditional application to cloud native modern Kubernetes environment. Konveyor consists of 5 families: forklift, crane, move to queue, tackle, payloads. Each 5 family is positions as follows. It shows how existing applications infrastructures can be can be moved to Kubernetes environment. Application users, especially application modernization engineer, has 6 choices: defrost, deplatform, refactor, retain, retire, repurchase. First, yes, this Konveyor community focus on first three choice: the host, the platform, the factor. First tool is Tackle. Tackle judge which option is preferred for target applications. The host, the platform, the factor. Answer first choice. The host is it's moved to target Kubernetes infrastructures without changing application code configurations. So crane and forklift are used. Second choice is the platform. The platform also does not change application code. Move to queue helps the platform. For example, from Cloud Foundry to Kubernetes. Third choice, the factors. Tackle is used. This third choice is different from the first, the platform. That is, and the factor is modify, update application code so that the application can run on Kubernetes as a cloud native way. Tackle is used. Answer finally, Parallels is used to measure impact and performance. This talk, Tackle-DiVA-DOA, is in Tackle family. Before going to Tackle-DiVA-DOA, let me briefly explain Tackle-DiVA. Tackle-DiVA is released last June. That aims at data-centric Java application analysis. Please look at bottom figures. Left side is source, and right side is result. Tackle-DiVA's target is application source code, Java application source code. Answer Tackle-DiVA has 7 analysis engines. Answer analysis result files are dumped in JSON files. Answer. Today's topic is Tackle-DiVA-DOA. DOA means Database Operator Adaptations. What is the change from Tackle-DiVA is input code is database configuration code, not application code. Answer output is YAML file. YAML file is a deployment-ready Kubernetes artifact. So, what is the objective is Tackle-DiVA-DOA is in Kubernetes world, database operator is quite useful to easily build database cluster. Database cluster is a set of a database server. This database operator is quite useful for users and should be used when they launch database server on Kubernetes rather than database pod container. But presently, modernization engineer has one pain point. That is a lot of manual work. Bottom figure is examples, and left side is database cluster VMs. That is the current status. Answer, database cluster is not just database servers. you can see on the top part has a load balancer. And the bottom part is volume, physical volume. And each database servers, one is master and two is slave to provide database service as a scalable manner. And the right side is one of popular Kubernetes database operators, the Postgres operators. So database operators can build database clusters, same as VMs. But in order to deploy right side Postgres operators, engineer need to create Kubernetes artifact file. That is a YAML file. So the YAML files should be prepared by engineers in order to deploy Kubernetes. So but on the left side, the VM world, there are no YAML files. So that is a pain point. Here is our approach. So we want to reduce developers' workload. So our approach is to automatically generate YAML file, Kubernetes deployment ready YAML file for database operator migrations. So you can see on the left side is a database cluster VMs. Right side is a Zarant Postgres operators. Input is a SQL file. SQL file is a database definitions. XML file is a database cluster configurations. DebugDOA analyze SQL files, XML files, then generate a set of YAML files. And so the developer basically make use of these YAML files without changing its part. That is our approach. Let me explain the insight of DebugDOA. I mentioned DebugDOA. I mentioned that the DebugDOA's input is a database configuration file, but this figure shows the details of what file is input candidate. You can see on the left side is existing systems. Current DOA assumes that the 4 types input: database management system configuration file, SQL files, database initialization script, and the program file. Answer you can see on the middle part. Middle part is generated YAML files. Postgres YAML, SecretDB YAML, CM SQLs, and so on. The DebugDOA also provides automatic deployment to YAML file. That is the DebugDOA target is not only to create a database instance, but also initializing database server. Database server initialize means to create database tables for applications. Of course, just vanilla database servers. Empty database servers cannot be used from applications. Anyone cannot use empty database servers. So, and important point is to set up database servers so that application can use. So, and this DiVADOA focus on database initialization, that is database table creations, user creation, role creations. So and so the DOA follows complicated manual works of from engineer. Here is the details of here's the details. Answer the DebugDOA has different applications that calls and trading app. Trading app is open source applications. Consists of Spring Boot Java applications, Postgres single database. In case of a trading app, database management system configuration is not ready, but the SQL files as prepared as a SQL file. Answer database init script is prepared. There's no program code that contain database initializations. So, in case of a trading app, DebugDOA generates under 4 YAML files: PostgreSQL YAML, CM-SQL YAML, CM-initDB YAML, job init YAML. Answer using those 4 YAML files. Postgres clusters can be deployed. Answer database tables. User account can be used automatically. Okay, so and let's go to the next topic. Let's try it out. Same as Tackle-DiVA. What is used to use? What is required to use DebugDOA is Docker, just Docker running environment. That is and Linux, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, MacBook, or Windows machine. Any machine can be used for DebugDOA. Here is the introductions, and you just clone DebugDOA code from Tackle-DiVA repository. You just click one bash script. This bash script create DebugDOA Docker image. And here is example of how to learn, how to apply DebugDOA. So and you can see and kick and run DOA script and attaching target applications GitHub URL. Then YAML file, a set of YAML files, bash script files are generated. Again, DebugDOA is implemented as a Docker image, and that is your no applications, no library are not installed on your target machine, MacBook, Windows, Linux, because all DOA component contains Docker container. So here is the final step, and using trade-up applications. Let's check how to deploy Postgres clusters and how to deploy database instance and database tables. First, first is deployment resource. Deployment resource means create Postgres cluster pod using generated YAML file. It can be done by create.sh or just click kubecontrol apply command. And let's check whether Kubernetes resource can be created. Kubernetes resource means Postgres cluster information. That is resource, pod, secret, PV, and so on. So you can see highlighted yellow lines, and especially first line shows Postgres Postgres service instance is created for this trading app. Okay, so you can check the status of Postgres clusters using Postgres Operator UI. So you can see, you can see the bottom part, and this is the Postgres SQL cluster UI, and you can see the default trading app DB, and that is automatically generated for trading app by DebugDOA. You can you can check whether target database tables can be created correctly. DebugDOA prepares test pod to check database tables on database operators. So you can see highlighted yellow part pSQL. pSQL command shows target database tables. Okay, so that is all of today's topics and Tackle-DiVA-DOAs. And again, Tackle-DiVA-DOA can support your annoying work about database migration to Kubernetes operators. And DebugDOA is implemented as a Docker container, Docker image, and you can try it on any machines, Docker running. And finally, this trading app exercise, and you can try differing DebugDOA build means. finally, and the Tackle-DiVA-DOA is one tool in Konveyor communities. As I mentioned, Konveyor community has several nice tools that support to your Kubernetes work. So, and when you have interest in Konveyor, yes, the Konveyor tools, and let's join this Konveyor communities. Answer. That is and all of today's sessions. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you, Yasu. Thank you, Shin, which I know you had some internet connections. So everyone, thank you for attending. If I put the link to the Konveyor Slack channel as well in the chat, and that way, if you have any questions as you're using the tool, or even after this later while you're in the shower, feel free to just put it in there. And from there, and the team will be able to help you. I believe Shin and Yasu are both in there. And the team will be working on creating a blog post and outlining and capturing some of the items they covered here. So with that said, Yasu, Shin, thank you so much for making time. I know it's late on your end. Thank you for presenting this tool. We're super excited, and hopefully everyone else as well.
Yeah, thank you very much.
All right, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.